Hello, Voyagers. You've hopped onto the Traveling Kangaroo once again. Our mission is to bring the world closer to you, and today we're leaping into the heart of the Windy City, so buckle up for a thrilling virtual tour of Chicago. Starting with the very reason Chicago got its nickname, the Windy City. You see, Chicago's reputation as the Windy City isn't just about the weather. Yes, the city does have its fair share of blustery days, but the moniker has a deeper origin. Some say it comes from the city's notoriously verbose politicians, their hot air, likened to the gusty winds off Lake Michigan. Others claim it's from the city's competitive spirit during the late 19th century, when it competed with New York for the World's Fair. Regardless of its origin, this nickname has become an integral part of Chicago's identity. The wind shapes the city's character in more ways than one. From the way architects design buildings to withstand the gusts to the way locals embrace the brisk lake breezes, the wind is an ever-present part of life in Chicago. It's a city that's learned to thrive in the face of the elements, and it wears its nickname with pride. So when you visit, be sure to pack a windbreaker. From the wind, we move to the skyline, a testament to Chicago's architectural marvels. The city's skyline is a breathtaking panorama of towering structures, each with its own unique story. Willis Tower, formerly known as Sears Tower, stands as an icon of Chicago's architectural prowess. Once the tallest building in the world, this 110-story skyscraper remains a symbol of the city's ever-evolving skyline. Chicago's architecture is not just about skyscrapers, though. The city is a living museum of architectural styles, showcasing everything from the classic Chicago school style to the modernist designs of the mid-20th century. No trip to the city would be complete without a stroll down Michigan Avenue, known as the Magnificent Mile, home to some of the city's most iconic buildings. Chicago's architectural scene is a fusion of history and innovation, a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself while preserving its past. The skyline of Chicago is a sight to behold and a testament to human ingenuity. Next, we arrive at a shiny marvel, Cloud Gate, or as it's famously known, the Bean. This gleaming, kidney-shaped sculpture is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a symbol of Chicago's creative spirit. Crafted from over 100 stainless steel plates, the bean's mirror-like surface reflects the city's stunning skyline and the clouds above, living up to its name, Cloud Gate. The bean's unique design, reminiscent of a drop of mercury, is the brainchild of British artist Anish Kapoor. It's a perfect blend of art and science, with its seamless surface and distortion-free reflections. The bean's underbelly, a concave chamber known as the omphalos, multiplies and twists reflections in a mesmerizing way, offering a kaleidoscope of the city's beauty. Visitors are drawn to the bean, not just for the perfect selfie, but to experience this magnificent fusion of art and architecture. The bean, an iconic symbol of Chicago, reflects the city's innovative spirit. Chicago's history also has a darker but fascinating side, the era of gangsters. Notorious figures like Al Capone once walked these very streets, leaving an indelible imprint on the city's past. Capone, also known as Scarface, was the undisputed king of the underworld during the Prohibition era. His reign, although ruthless, was an integral part of the tapestry that makes up Chicago's unique history. Capone's empire was built on the illegal sale of alcohol, gambling, and other illicit activities, and his influence extended far beyond the city's borders. The gangster era was a tumultuous time in the city's history, marked by violence, corruption, and lawlessness. But it also led to significant changes in law enforcement and legislation. Despite the dark nature of this period, it has become part of Chicago's allure, drawing countless visitors keen to explore this intriguing chapter of the city's past. A visit to Chicago isn't complete without delving into its intriguing past. From the notorious to the celebrated, Chicago is home to the legendary Chicago Bulls. In the pulsating heart of the city, the United Center echoes with the cheers and roars of basketball lovers, reverberating with the legacy of the Bulls. This iconic team, founded in 1966, has had a profound impact on the city's sports culture. The Bulls' golden era in the 90s, under the stellar leadership of Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, and coach Phil Jackson, was a time of unparalleled success. Their influence extended beyond the court, shaping the city's identity and instilling a sense of pride in Chicagoans. The team's victories have become a part of the city's fabric, their triumphs and tribulations deeply intertwined with the spirit of Chicago. Even today, the Bulls continue to inspire and entertain, their games a vibrant testimony to the city's love for basketball. Whether or not you're a basketball fan, the influence of the Bulls on Chicago is undeniable. Sports enthusiasm continues at the historic Wrigley Field. Nestled in the heart of the Windy City, this iconic ballpark is more than a sports venue. It's a living, breathing testament to the city's rich history and love for baseball. Home to the beloved Chicago Cubs since 1916, Wrigley Field is one of the oldest ballparks in the nation, and its ivy-covered outfield wall and manual scoreboard are throwbacks to a bygone era. Here, it's not just about the game, it's about the atmosphere, the camaraderie, and the shared sense of tradition. Whether you're a die-hard Cubs fan or just a visitor, you can't help but get swept up in the magic of Wrigley. From the seventh-inning stretch sing-along to the victory flag hoisted high above the scoreboard, every moment at Wrigley Field is a celebration of Chicago's spirit. A game at Wrigley Field is a quintessential Chicago experience. Moving on, the Chicago River gives the city a unique charm. This winding waterway, cutting through the heart of the city, is more than just a picturesque backdrop. It's a living, breathing part of Chicago's history and culture. The river has played a pivotal role in the city's development, serving as a crucial transportation route in the early days, and today as a hub for recreational activities. One of the most anticipated events on the Chicago River is the annual St. Patrick's Day tradition. Every year, to celebrate this Irish holiday, the city dyes the river a vibrant shade of green. It's a sight that draws locals and tourists alike, turning the river into a flowing emerald spectacle. But the river isn't just for special occasions. Throughout the year, river cruises offer an exceptional way to explore the city. You can sit back, relax, and watch the architectural marvels of Chicago unfold from a unique vantage point. The Chicago River, a vibrant part of the city, offers a different perspective of Chicago. Next stop, Navy Pier, a place where fun meets scenic beauty. As we pivot from the natural allure of the Chicago River, we find ourselves at the bustling Navy Pier. This 3,000 feet long pier on the Chicago shoreline is a playground for locals and tourists alike. Let's start with the iconic Centennial Wheel. This giant Ferris wheel offers a bird's-eye view of the city that's nothing short of spectacular. And if you're up for some seafaring adventure, hop onto one of the many boat tours that set sail from the pier. But Navy Pier is more than just rides and tours. It's a cultural hub, hosting a myriad of events and festivals throughout the year. From summer fireworks to winter ice skating, the Navy Pier has a knack for keeping the fun going all year round. Navy Pier, a hub of entertainment, makes for a fun-filled day in Chicago. And with that, we wrap up our visit to this vibrant pier. But our journey through Chicago is far from over. Now let's talk about something that makes every foodie's heart flutter: Chicago's deep dish pizza. This culinary masterpiece, with its high edges and hearty fillings, is a true testament to the city's innovative spirit. Born in the heart of Chicago in the mid-20th century, the deep dish pizza has grown to be an integral part of the city's identity. Its creation story is as rich as its toppings. Pizzeria Uno, a local eatery, is often credited with its invention, transforming the Italian classic into a uniquely Chicagoan delight. This pizza is no ordinary pie. The deep dish differs from your regular pizza with its inverted structure. Cheese at the bottom, followed by a variety of toppings, and then a chunky tomato sauce to top it all off. The city's love for this pizza style is palpable. Whether it's a family dinner or a late-night snack, the deep dish pizza has a dedicated spot on the table. So, when in Chicago, a slice of deep dish pizza is a must-have. Last but not least, Chicago is famous for its unique hot dogs. Unlike any ordinary hot dog, the Chicago-style hot dog is a feast in a bun, a vibrant mix of tastes and textures. Nestled in a poppy seed bun, the all-beef frankfurter is topped with a dazzling array of condiments: yellow mustard, bright green relish, freshly chopped onions, juicy red tomato wedges, a crunchy dill pickle spear, sport peppers for a bit of heat, and last but by no means least, a sprinkle of celery salt. This culinary marvel is a testament to Chicago's rich immigrant history, a blend of flavors that speaks to the city's diverse cultural fabric. You can sample this local delicacy at hot dog stands and restaurants across the city, but some of the most iconic spots include Portillo's and Gene and Jude's. Remember, in Chicago, ketchup on a hot dog is considered a faux pas. A Chicago hot dog, a local favorite, is a culinary experience not to be missed. That wraps up our trip through the iconic elements of Chicago. We've breezed through everything from the Windy City's skyscrapers to its delectable hot dogs. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel inspiration. and follow our social media accounts. Until next time, keep hopping with the Traveling Kangaroo. Safe travels.